How to enable receive GIFs on TikTok. Activate TikTok video GIFs. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the receive GIFs feature on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Now open TikTok and log into your account. After that, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines at the top right corner. From here, select Creator Tools or Business Suite option. Now, normally you should see the GIFs option here, but as you can see, it's not showing on my account. The reason is simple. To enable the Receive GIFs feature on TikTok, your account must have at least 10,000 followers. If you want to go live, you only need 1,000 followers. But to actually receive gifts, TikTok requires a minimum of 10,000 followers, plus your account must be in good standing. Your videos should follow TikTok's community guidelines, and you must agree to all terms and policies. So once you meet those requirements, the GIFs option will appear automatically. That's all for the video.